In the tutorial today, we are going to be looking at bulk uploads into Canva, and it'll be associated with any sort of social media post, Instagram, Facebook, any of those ones. We're going to be looking at Facebook posts today. So we'll click on the Instagram post. So open up, create a design here after you've opened up the Canva app, and go to Instagram post square. So click on Instagram post square. When Canva opens up the canvas, we want to start designing the background and the layout of the Instagram post. So we'll come over here to elements. Now I've chosen a few colors already, so texture background illustration. So I'm going to use that one. So I'll just bring that into the design and right click and set image to background. And then what I want to do is just add the text and come over here, click on text, add a heading, and I'm going to call it motivational quotes. Okay, so just going to put that up there at the top of the page. Okay, and then I'll come over here to text again, add a subheading. That will be my quote. Okay, and then I'll duplicate that, and that will be my author. Okay, so you can muck around with the various changes in color to the text. You can muck around with the line spacing. All right, sorry, let me correct that one. All right, you can muck around with the line spacing. You can muck around with the font. You can do all that. But the purposes of the tutorial is basically just to show you how to do bulk uploads into Canva. So once you've got that all set, you need to come over to ChatGPT and you need to organize or obtain your quotes. So what I've done here is I've just said write 30 quotes about motivation. Put the quotes in 3 columns. One column contains the number of the quote, so 1 to 30. The second column contains the quote. The third column contains the quote author, and only write quotes with maximum of 15 words or less. So when you press enter, ChatGPT will go, absolutely, here are 30 motivational quotes for you, and they will list out 30 quotes with the author in the third column as you've asked. Okay, so once you've done that, what you need to do is highlight from there all the way down to the bottom. You need to copy and then open up Excel and paste that in. So I've done that already. So there's my 30 quotes. Then what you need to do is go to File and Save As. When you've done that, you need to come back over to Canva in the canvas that you've been designing in already, and you need to look for apps and you need to do bulk create. Now if bulk create doesn't show there, what you can do is go into apps, in the search type in bulk create and press enter. Okay, and it will appear up there. Where it will also appear is in this section of the side window or side pane, bulk create. So either way that you go about finding bulk create, once you've found bulk create, click on it and you'll have 2 entries here. So enter data manually or upload data. So because we've downloaded it to a file and saved it, we've got our data. So we just click on upload data, highlight the file that we saved our data in and go open. It will then bring up this information here with the range preview 1 to 30. It'll give you the number, the quote, and the author. That should be all pretty good because that's just uploaded the information out of your spreadsheet. Then you just come down here to continue and press on continue. Now we need to link these items here, or this text here, to these items over here. So what we do is highlight that, right click, go to connect data, click on connect data, and click on quote. And we want to do the same for author, connect data, and author. Now that we've got it linked, and you'll confirm that it's linked through the tick here, we just go down to continue here, press on continue, and it will bring up the next page of apply data, create pages based on the data you entered. So this is all the information that we entered when we created the quotes using ChatGPT. So just make sure that they're all ticked. Then what you do is come down here to generate 30 designs. Click on that. That will generate in a new tab within Canva. And there you have it. You now have all your 30 quotes generated for you in no time at all. So best to go through and check just to make sure that the formatting is all good and the quote hasn't fallen over the author. Alright, you might want to just grab these, move them down a bit to separate it a bit more, but with the indicators here showing where the quote is, it should be fine. Okay, so that's pretty much it, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and if there's any questions or have any comments, please leave those below in the comment section. Until next time, thank you very much from Fun with Canva, and enjoy. Bye for now.